Hey! Hey, stupid!
Television season has introduced many new shows, and tonight we'd like to pay tribute to some of our...
Come here. Come here.